Welcome back to our channel, Ronix TV, and we're here in the newest open here in Abu Dhabi. It's Jubail Island Mangrove Walk. So we're excited, and I think this is the second day that they opened this. So we'll try and show to you, and I'll give you an idea what's inside and what is this place all about.
Nice weather.
Nice weather.
Look around. Oh, I can't run away.
Why?
I'm walking. Ako na lang.
First look. So this is the main entrance, and some office there, and restaurant. This is the starting point to go to the mangrove, and also the so they provide a map also there. So let's
It's all
see.
here.
So what you will expect here inside. And also the good thing is, for now it's free. Yes, free. For now they don't asking for entrance
And the entrance.
and entrance fee, so it's free.
So we're going to do the 2 kilometer. Kaya?
Yeah.
There's
we'll
a
go for-
shortcut, but there's a 2 kilometer.
So we're going in the
There's
long-
loop 1, 1 kilometer, loop 2, 1.6, and the loop 3 is 2 kilometers.
Yes.
So let's see.
So we have 2 babies. We'll go for 2 kilometers. We'll try, and today is but this time 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather is good, but the sun is a little bit higher this time. So let's see. You're ready? Hold Rocco, hold the map, Rocco.
Can you hold the map?
Hello, how are you?
Hi there.
Good, thanks.
Just check the map.
We have different links to the route. If you want to do the full route, it's 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
We're starting here.
Okay.
To start the path and just keep left,
Left.
and left. And you'll return just below here.
Okay.
If you start, when you reach the roots of the mangrove, you're tired or you want to come back, just carry on straight and you'll return here.
Okay.
Similarly, if you're doing the long route and you decide not to do that 400 meters, you can just return that side.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure, enjoy.
Go to Mama.
Mommy, wait for me.
Yes. So if you want to go for the long journey, you go in the left side, as they said. So here. So this is the right side, right way. Sorry, the right side, and this is the left side. I hope we can see any crabs, but and some wildlife. Just wait. See the small fishes. See there. See small fish. There.
Let's go now.
Okay. The good thing is the climate today, and the temperature is a little bit low. So even the sun is high up there, so we can.
It's chilly.
yeah.
It's not hot.
Temperature is cool. So you're walking in the bridge made by wood.
Very ako.
Yeah, so and also the rope in the side.
Air show.
there's an air show. There's an airplane, as Rocco said. So, Rocco, you like it? You were walking here inside the in the middle of the mangroves forest. Which-
Rocco is thinking there's a crocodile here.
There's a crocodile. You want to see the crocodile, Rocco?
There's a crocodile.
Nikki's thinking there's a high water in the mangrove, but mangrove is just like this only. Some swampy.
Ah,
like
there,
that.
there. Oh, there's a lot of water. Because
yeah, yeah.
I saw on the video and the picture, there's like a lot of water.
Okay. Look, there's a lot of fish out there down. Wow. I think they are migrating from that side, going here because all the direction is going down. There's like a net there.
Floating platform.
Called floating platform. So we'll check. Oops, see, it's floating.
Nakanaan kayo.
See? Place here called Power of the Sea. He said gather knowledge on the factors influencing seawater movement while understanding the role of mangroves in protecting shade. So basically I don't understand that one, so I don't know what. Maybe they're checking what's the sea level. So this one is now closed. So if you want to go here, they are open from basically all day in the week, and from 8 in the morning until 6:30 in the afternoon. So you can enjoy full day here, but I think evening is not possible because until 6:30 only. Wow, it's nice. You know, the mangroves like same like
Ranja, don't eat.
stalactites and stalagmites.
Where's the flamingo?
Flamengo? Only mango, not flamengo.
As the sun was rising on the 4th of April, days and weeks and years have been bypassing.
So every, I think 100 meters, there is one you can sit down like this. So if you want, if you are tired and you want to rest and relax while looking at the nice view here. Okay, you like it here?
Yes.
The air is fresh, but it smells like little bit muddy because of the mud. Yes, all the mud is color white.
Color white. In Philippines, it's brown.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of fish. Rocco, look, oh, there's a lot of fish.
Yes.
There's more fish in there.
There, oh, see, oh, there's a lot of fish.
There's more fish there.
Yeah, there's
Where's the
more.
mother fish? See the mother fish?
Where's the mother fish?
Maybe sleeping. Yeah, also bringing food is not allowed inside the mangrove walk. Of course, because somebody they allowed it. Some people or kids will eat and throw away all the plastic here, so it's not a good idea if you bring a food here. Roots of mangrove. Get the bottom of the mangroves where a complex root system plays important roles in the coastal ecosystem. So now we're sitting here. No, don't go down, Rocco. Mud there. It's full of mud. Yes. We can rest here and see the view there. So today is Friday and there's a lot of visitor because today is a second day. Yesterday is the first day of opening, so yeah, a lot of crowds. there is an observation deck in that side. We'll try to go there, but I think stroller is not allowed going up. You want to go there, Rocco? Oh, but you need to no, you need to walk going up.
Rocco!
So we're in the observation deck. We can full view. You can see the full view of the mangrove box. So there's the entrance there and the parking. And here all the mangroves there. Yeah.
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright. You know I'm so much stronger when you're touching me.
Are you enjoying Rania? The smell here, I remember the rice field in the Philippines while I'm a farmer there. While I'm farming rice, so the smell is like that. I think we're in the middle of the 2 kilometers journey walk, the longest walk that we try to finish. So there's a salt collectors. This area you can check how it's the level of saltiness in the water. So we check. Okay. So this one. I don't know. I don't understand also.
Salt water.
Salt water. So basically, I don't understand anything. Well, I think I need to taste it. I'm just enjoying. There's like a small river. I'm going there, then here. In this place, but I'm stressed a little bit because I forgot to pee in the entrance. So I feel like I want to my kidney will explode at this moment. Wow, this place is nice. Yes. Wow, I like this. So nice, relaxing, and it's a blessing to have like this here in Abu Dhabi. Because even in the Philippines, there's a mangrove, but barely I can find a mangrove walk like this. So And also imagine this is a what is this, a desert place, but they can build like this here in Abu Dhabi, Middle East. It's nice. While capturing a beautiful moment here, this little lady want to always handheld. She don't want to go. She don't want to sit in her stroller. So while capturing video, this is my situation right now. Always, actually.
But there's a lot of kids here.
Yeah. So
You can use a stroller.
yeah, you can use a stroller also, or maybe I think even the PWD can come here to watch this beautiful nature. Yes, right, Rania? So if you want to come here and you will go for a 2 kilometers walk, better you need to wear comfortable shoes, rubber shoes, or maybe combat shoes. I just observed this area, the mangrove is not healthy. I don't know why, maybe winter only or what, because on the other side, yeah, it's so greeny, but here it's browny, the mangrove. Maybe the water, the weather, I don't know. I have no answer exactly for this, but just in my observation. So we're almost done. We already almost reaching the end. So near in the parking, that side. So this is the end of our journey here in the mangrove walk. So we finished for the 2 kilometers and we are achiever. Actually, my goal is not to finish the 2 kilometers, but my goal is to reach in the nearest toilet. So to those who don't have a car, it's accessible by taxi also. So here there's a line of taxi here. And that's it for our Jubail Island Mangrove Walk. I hope you like our video, and I hope you get any information in our video. So if you like this, please hit like, and if you like our channel, please subscribe, and that's it. See you next
Bye.
time.